In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a realistic painting brush in Photoshop that actually feels like real paint on canvas. Whether you're doing digital portraits, concept art, or just want more natural brush strokes, this setup will instantly level up your painting workflow. I'll walk you step by step through the exact brush settings so you can recreate it in just a few minutes. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. The size doesn't really matter for this tutorial, but something like 2000 by 2000 pixels gives you enough room to test your brush. Now press B on your keyboard to activate the brush tool. Once the brush tool is selected, go up to the top menu and click on Window, then choose Brush Settings. This panel is where all the magic happens. Inside the Brush Settings panel, start with Brush Tip Shape. From the default brushes, choose a soft round brush. This gives us a clean and flexible base. Set the size somewhere between 40 and 80 pixels for now. You can always adjust this later depending on your canvas size. Next, reduce the hardness to around 0 to 20%. Lower hardness gives you smooth edges, which helps mimic real paint blending. Then set the spacing to about 1 to 5%. Keeping spacing low ensures your stroke looks smooth instead of dotted. At this point, you already have a solid foundation. Now let's make the brush feel more natural. Click on Shape Dynamics in the left panel. This is what adds variation and realism to your strokes. Set size jitter to 0%, but change the control option to pen pressure if you're using a drawing tablet. This allows the brush size to respond to how hard you press, just like a real paintbrush. Then adjust minimum diameter to around 10 to 20%, so your lighter strokes taper naturally. Add a slight angle jitter between 5 and 10%. This subtle variation helps break that digital perfect look and makes strokes feel organic. Next, let's add texture to simulate real canvas. Click on Texture in the Brush Settings panel. Choose a subtle canvas or green texture from the list. Set the scale between 80 and 100% so the texture isn't too large or too small. Then lower the depth to around 10 to 25%. You don't want the effect to be overpowering. The goal is to add just enough surface variation so the brush feels like it's interacting with real material. If you test a few strokes now, you'll notice a big difference in realism. To boost this even further, we're going to use the Mixer Brush tool for true paint-like blending. Right-click on the brush tool icon in your toolbar and select Mixer Brush Tool. Up in the options bar, adjust the settings like this. Set wet to around 20 to 30%, load to about 30 to 40%, mix to roughly 40 to 50%, and flow between 60 and 80%. These settings allow colors to blend gradually without becoming muddy. Now when you paint over two different colors, you'll see them mix together naturally, similar to traditional oil painting. At this point, you have soft, natural strokes, pressure sensitivity, subtle canvas texture, and realistic color blending. That combination is what creates a convincing digital painting brush inside Photoshop. If you want, you can save this brush by clicking the plus icon in the Brush Settings panel and giving it a custom name so you can reuse it anytime. And that's how you make a realistic painting brush in Photoshop. Super simple settings, but a huge improvement in how your artwork looks and feels. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth Photoshop guides. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a realistic oil brush setup or a watercolor brush next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.